Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to have a look at what is in this box. It is another Omada product, Omada by TP-Link. This is the ER7212PC. Quite a mouthful, but this is a multifunctional router, PoE switch, and also Omada controller. Now, this is not a big technical overview. This is to show you what you get in the box. If you want to know how to set up an Omada controller or Omada router, head on over to our YouTube channel. We've got plenty of how-to guides there. But let's just jump in, show you what you get in the box. So this can be desk mounted or is desk mounted. You get some little rubber feet there to put on the bottom. Onto here, we'll have a look at the bottom of the device properly in a moment. You're going to get a couple of conformity guides for the region that you are in. You're going to get your installation guide, which is going to talk to you probably some important bits about how to get this going. Like I said, we do have some guides on setting up the Omada controller and routers on our YouTube, which you might find useful. You're going to get probably a 1.5 meter power cable. We're here in Australia, so that's our Australia power connector there. It's standard Mickey Mouse. There we go on that end. You're going to get your big power brick that comes with this. This is a PoE switch, so I wouldn't expect anything smaller. We've got our standard Mickey Mouse in there, and again our out connector, which is going to plug directly into the device. And we just tidy that out the way there. All right, then we've got our device itself. So let's work our way around this. So let's have a look at the back. First, obviously our normal Kingston desk lock, our reset, earthing connector if we're going to use that, and then that was our voltage in connector from our main power box. As you can feel, it's a metal construction, cooling on the side, no fans actually in it. Let's just flip it over so we can have a look on the bottom. If you want to obviously wall mount this, then obviously you can just put the screws in the wall and then clip this down or clip this way, whichever way works for you. That's really all you can see on the bottom. But the bit you're probably more interested in is what's going on over on this side here. Well, let's start over here, obviously with our indicator lights. Then let's just take these off. These are our two 1 gig SFP ports. These can be LAN or WAN, so we've got the maximum here of 4 WANs if we want to, or we can use these again as LAN ports. Then we've got our 2 standard 1 gig LAN ports or WAN port dedicated here, another 1 gig port that can be WAN or LAN, and then we head on over here to 8 PoE ports. These support up to 110 watts in total power, so really good. This unit will, I think, support 1 router, 2 further switches, and 10 access points. So if you're looking for an all-in-one controller for your network for running Omada, this could be a really good solution for you. So obviously that gives you an idea of what's in the box, and hopefully that's been fairly useful. A beautiful little 1 gig router. Why don't you head on over to our YouTube channel? We've got plenty more box openings on network, firewall, wireless, and camera security. How-to guide, like I said before, how to set up TP-Link Omada. We've got speed tests and performance reviews on a whole bunch of their access points and other pieces of equipment and routers as well. So why don't you head on over there, subscribe, and stay up to date.